Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Indeed application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. Just go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page. Now, from your home page, you will find the menu icon at the top right corner, so go ahead and tap on it. Now, within the menu page, you will be able to find the country and language option underneath settings. Go ahead and tap on this option, and now you have various different countries and languages to choose from. First of all, go ahead and choose the country that you're in, and then you will be able to see the various languages available for that country. Simply tap on your desired country and then tap on the language within, and this will now restart the Indeed application, and now you will see that all of the languages have been changed to the one that you just select. You can come back to this menu anytime and choose your language and country as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change language on the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.